The mechanism of hearing. The pinna is a funnel-shaped structure which collects the sound vibrations. These sound vibrations, which are collected by the external pinna, are directed towards the external auditory meatus. From this external auditory meatus, the sound vibrations strike on the tympanic membrane or the eardrum. Due to this striking of sound vibrations, the eardrum starts vibrating. The vibrations from the eardrum are gradually passed to the middle ear portion. It is passed to the malleus and then to the incus and ultimately to the last bone, that is the stapes. The sound vibrations from the stapes will go and strike on the oval window of cochlea. The vibrations from the oval window are passed on to the lymph or the fluid which is filled in the cochlea. This generates vibrations in the lymph of the cochlea. Due to these vibrations in the lymph, a ripple is generated in the basilar membrane of the cochlea. The rippling movement which is produced in the basilar membrane is responsible for bending the sensory hair cells, and due to this the hair cells bend and come in contact with the tectoral membrane of the cochlea. Due to the bending of these sensory hairs on the tectoral membrane, it presses against the tectoral membrane, due to which nerve impulses are generated. These nerve impulses are ultimately passed to the auditory nerve, and from the auditory nerve, these nerve impulses are transmitted to the auditory cortex of the brain. The auditory cortex of the brain is responsible for recognizing and interpreting the sound vibration.